Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Vanguard and signing in so the notification center can load personalized alerts. Enter your username and password. When prompted, complete two-factor authentication to confirm it's you. Once signed in, make sure you're on the correct account if you have multiple profiles, because notifications are account-specific. Now navigate to the top right menu. You'll need to access the user icon or menu list to find the notifications link. That first click gets the system to fetch recent messages and alerts for you. Once done with sign-in, click the bell icon or open your user menu and select Notifications or Message Center so you can see alerts. You'll want to filter by type. Choose alerts for price or account issues, statements for account documents, or trades for confirmations, because it reduces clutter and surfaces what matters. Use the search field or date range to narrow results and find a specific message quickly. While viewing, note the read/unread toggle and any links to documents that require downloading. You finish by opening each relevant notification and following any embedded links to view statements, adjust settings, or complete required actions. Make sure to mark items read or archive them so future alerts stand out. You can also download PDFs for your records. If the notification center doesn't show updates, clear your browser cache, retry in a private window, or use another device. If problems persist, contact Vanguard support. Have your account details ready so they can verify identity and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.